Hello and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm actually going to be doing an Ulta haul, and what I purchased is from the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta. If you guys don't know about the 21 Days of Beauty, it's mainly 21 days and every day they put something on sale, so usually you'll get 50% off, and for 21 days straight every single date is something different. So let me just tell you what 21 Days of Beauty had on sale. I'm not going to tell you everything, but I am going to tell you the date that I got the stuff, like what they had on sale. I did not purchase from every single day because I really didn't like what they had on sale, or I don't use it. So I only got what I thought I needed, actually what I needed it and what I thought I was going to use. So I guess I'm going to show you in order what I got from the 21 Days of Beauty. So I'll see if I can remember, because I'm looking at the Ulta app here and it actually doesn't have the past days. So I'll see if I can remember how much I got these stuff for. So I think the first thing that I got, this is the micro delivery exfoliating facial wash from Philosophy. I do have one of these and I thought I would buy another one because hello, it was 50% off and I really been liking it. So I've been using this every single day at night to exfoliate and wash my face. I like it because it's not like an exfoliant that is real harsh to your skin. I know that if you exfoliate a lot it dries up your skin. I know it sounds so weird, but it actually does. But I find that this one, the microbeads are so tiny that it exfoliates great and it doesn't dry my skin. It actually helps my skin. So I've been really seeing a difference with this. So I thought I would just purchase another one to have as a backup because it was 50% off. So I think regular these are, let me look it up because I don't remember. Okay, so this retails for $28. So, but I did not get it for that price. Remember, I got it 50% off on that day. I can't remember what day it was. I wish I did, but I can't remember. So actually I got it 50% off, which was $14. So this is the first thing that I got and I love it. Okay, then the second thing that I got, it's one of my favorite primers, and it's the Smashbox primer water. As you all know, my current primer water is actually running low, like super low, so I had to buy another one. But these retail for $32, and of course 50% off. I got it for $16, and I just did not get one, but I got two of them because I go through these like crazy because I love them. And I not only spray them when I'm doing my makeup, I'll just come during the day and I'll just spray it because it is so refreshing. So I actually purchased two of these and I can't remember what day it was, but yeah, they were $16, so mainly like two for the price of one. So this is the other thing that I got. Okay, so next what I purchased, and again I can't remember the date. I should have probably written this down because I can't remember. I thought it was going to show up on the app, but it's not showing past days. So the next thing that I got is from Becca, and they are the Becca Primers. So you all know that I love the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. As you can see, it's like right here, so I'm almost out of it. So they had these on sale too, 50% off. So regular price they are $38, so I got them for, what's half of 38? So I got them for $19. So the first one that I got, it's the actual backlight priming filter, and this is the one in the pink one. It's like a champagne-y pink, so it looks like this. And I also got the First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh, and this is the one that is kind of like a purpley shade. And at first I was gonna get 2 of the regular ones that I always get, but the day that I went to Ulta, this was like way before this, I tried the purple one on and it's so moisturizing. So this is the actual purple one. So the difference between these two, this one is going to give you like a glossy kind of like illuminating finish to your skin, and this is really going to brighten your skin. This one doesn't have shimmery and this one does, but I like both of them. So whenever I want like more shiny, more illuminating skin, I'll use this one. Whenever I don't, I'll just use this one. But I really like this one because I feel like it's more moisturizing and it sinks more to your skin. So yeah, these are the other 2 things that I got. Okay, and with the purchase of these, whenever you made a purchase from Becca, I think it had to be more than $35. They actually gave me a mini sample. It's actually a decent size of sample. This is the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. So I got this when I bought those 2. So that's great because I haven't tried this. So I'm going to have to try to see how I like it. Okay, so the next thing that I got, and this was actually Saturday, March the 31st. I got the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I got 2 of them because I love these eyebrow pencils. Currently, I'm using the Brow Definer, which is like that triangular shape, but I love these as well. So I actually got 2 of them, and I'm in the shade Chocolate. So this is what it looks like. It's just thinner than the actual brow definer. As you can see, the brow definer is more thick and this is more thin because this is actually like a little tiny little pencil. So it's real precise for your eyebrows. I love this. And yeah, I got 2 of these. So these regular, they're $21. So I got them for $10.50. So that was a very good deal, so I couldn't let it pass. So I purchased 2 of those. And then on that same day, they had all the Mario Badescu products 20% off or 25% off. It was either 20% off or 25% off. So I actually just grabbed this facial spray. You all know that my favorite facial spray is the cucumber and green tea one. And I do have this little one, but I decided to purchase the big one. Okay, so this retails for $12 and I got it for $9. This huge bottle for $9. And if you wanted to get the smaller one, this retails for $7 and it was on sale for $5 something. So this is the actual size of the big one and the small one. So I got the big one because it was $9. So yeah, this is the other thing that I got that same day. And then that day, I got a coupon that with any purchase that you would make, they were giving out this nude stick. I think that's the brand. I don't even know what brand is this. It just says nude sticks and it's in the shade taupe, but it's for your eyes, like eye pencil, like the shadows. So I got this one for free. Okay, and the last thing that I got is what I'm wearing on my eyes. And I do have a review and a tutorial on this look. I'll list it somewhere right here on the top. It's gonna like pop out somewhere right here. So this is the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves Eyeshadow Palette, and I got this April the 1st. It was on a Sunday. It was only online, so you can only purchase it online. It wasn't available in the store. So this retails for $32 and I got it for $16. So this is what it looks like right here. I'll just show you the shadows real quick because like I said, I do have a tutorial. So these are the shadows right here, very mauve shades. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes. I love it. And yeah, this is the last thing that I got. And then they just sent me a couple of samples like the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer, and they have like a couple of shades here. They sent me these online when I purchased my stuff because a lot of these stuff I did have to order. And then they also gave me this Becca, it's like it's a liquid highlighter, and then it's a shimmering skin perfector press highlighter, and then this is a liquid highlighter. So they also gave me that. And then they also gave me this, it's a shampoo and conditioner and a Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. So I'll have to try that out. So yeah, when you order online, they do give you little samples so you can actually try them out. So I really like that. So with that being said, this is all that I got from the 21 Days of Beauty. Like I said, I did not get something every day just because I didn't need the stuff or I wasn't going to use it, didn't like it, whatever. So I just bought whatever I thought was necessary and stuff that I actually use and love. So yeah, this is it for this video. Before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also turn on that notification bell to get notified when I upload videos so you won't miss any videos that I upload. And if you like this haul and this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to check out my tutorial on this makeup look and my review on that palette. So I'll link that on the description box below for you guys as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. You're getting jealous? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?